Yeah, speed come up here so like you want to lick me for. Eh? I will chop. What make you happy? Olivia can't make me close it. What with the attitude? I need to pass something here up on the back seat, man.
Now stop breathing so hard. I don't piss already. I don't want to hear you breathing.
Turn up here, you see the corner?
No, bun back there.
Mommy, alright?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Olivia, why you drive the car so fast? I will trouble you. I will trouble Olivia, mommy. Eh?
Maybe not say I one night in a party, girl, I show him attitude.
And then I had a dream about she last night. Your ex. So tell me y'all ain't messing. What's the coincidence?
So make you go on, so me and nobody I mess Olivia. Me work 24/7 and they home 20.
Work what?
Eh?
You're always working. Working where?
Mommy tell Olivia say me never cheap. Tell her for me, mommy.
She know where you to be?
We can't share feel
Exactly.
But in the same time, me get Olivia say one night in a party, girl, the girl go for another girl and a pint and a show pan him.
And laughing at me. Then I dream about she.
So I don't do. Where you do living? You have a pass her?
Yeah, I'm going to her house right now.
What do what?
Me a follow you living.
Mommy, where you talk about follow?
What you mean? Me a follow you living.
And when you drive so far, Olivia? And mommy, where you talk about follow? Where you follow living? You don't drop me off at the house.
I'm vexed already.
You don't just drop me off at the house, please.
If you even...
No, you gonna be there. You gonna be right there with us.
Living all you do. You go ask her where she and laugh after you fall.
Miss Laura, me ain't going to talk. I am not going to talk, Miss Laura. And that's why I asked you to come with me.
What?
To have my back. I'm not talking.
What you put on your face, mommy?
What you mean? You don't know to me a old gangster. You don't know. Me a follow living. Me want to see a girl. If he might keep you in, keep your butt in can pint out girl.
Put this on, Miss Laura.
We soon get your house?
Yeah.
So what you gonna do? You gonna call her out or you drive up?
No, I'm gonna drive and just I have my chopper back there and just load it out.
Yeah, you have to make sure you have the
look, hold on.
After you do you ride fast.
Mommy, what you do?
What you mean? Me a follow Livy. Me a follow Livy. Anything I
yo, no, don't drop me off. No, don't drop. Look here, don't drop me off, man.
How far from you, Livy?
No, close.
Mommy, talk as an elder, talk to Olivia if you do the right thing. Where you?
Shut your mouth. Okay? My dream don't lie. My dream don't lie. You and she messing. And then she wanna laugh at me like it's some joke.
That's wrong. That's wrong. If he's
so mommy, you want to tell me say somebody can laugh?
But if
yo, take
you remember
here. I try to remember.
No,
in my dream,
just tell me one.
In my dream, she had left somewhere. Don't touch me before I put my chopper on you.
Leave me, I follow you. Anything or anything.
Yeah,
but make sure when you do your thing, you drive fast, you know.
So Olivia, do mommy?
Oh, you mean anything?
So mommy, as a big woman, what kind of influence that you give Olivia? What kind of thing you agree to?
But in
and why you make Olivia make you look like a freaking clown in a mask, mommy?
But in the same time,
you just come from Jamaica.
Shut up. If I find me daughter, same thing me would have do.
So Olivia, your daughter?
No business.
So you want to go to jail in a year? You're not 60. You're not almost 60, mommy?
Me not gonna jail. Me this one. Me watch and.
So where you put her?
My dream laugh.
Olivia, you not say nothing, you know. I know you're a mother, I know. I know you're a mother, I know. So look here.
But in the same time, me no want them make me
coming up close.
Me no want them make me out.
Where you look for over yourself? Eh? So you take me good mother out of the house for condo, Olivia, and put her mask on my mother.
Miss Laura,
why you couldn't get your mother?
Olivia, shut up now, man.
Just watch my back, okay? Just watch my back.
You don't drop me warm. You don't drop me warm, man.
Should I think about that before you mess with your ex?
Me no mess with nobody, Olivia.
You don't like me see a holy girl over there, so Olivia over there.
You have to
make sure not say she's still in them.
You don't drop me
warm. Here, wait. Let me go around.
Anything or anything, Livy.
Mommy, we about anything or anything.
Oh, you
you know me, I call my father.
Anything.
You know me, I can't.